Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to lock the device without using the power button. So in this video I will show you two different methods to lock the device. The first one using the accessibility shortcut menu. You can see this is the menu. Tap on this option. So here you can see some shortcut. So here you can see the option lock screen. Tap on this one. The device is locked. Using the accessibility shortcut menu, tap on the menu, tap on lock screen. Okay, so let me show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on additional settings, tap on accessibility, then tap on accessibility menu, turn on this option. Okay, so the next method to lock the screen without using the power button, using the accessory ball. You can see this is the accessory ball. Tap on the ball. Here you can see the symbol to lock the device. I will show you. You can see, right? Just tap on this one. The device is locked. Again I will show you. Tap on the accessory ball. Tap on the lock symbol. The device is locked. So let me show you how to enable the accessory ball. For this, go to settings, go to additional settings, tap on accessory ball, then turn on this option. So in these two different methods you can lock the device without using the power button. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.